Hi guys! Morning! Late na naman tayo nakapag-vlog ulit because I've been talking to my mother. Nag-video call na naman kami ni mother. Kasi yung kanilang buwan ng Ayuda is due today. So ayun, nag-usap kami and then mahaba-habang usapan namin. Alam nyo na, pag minsanan lang, pero hindi naman sila minsan talaga nakakausap. Pero ano na, medyo lagi na yung pag-uusap namin kasi meron na silang wifi, I mean pocket wifi. Kaya hindi kagaya dati na ano lang, maybe once a month. Tumatawag lang sila before pag ayuda na, pero ngayon hindi naman. So far, so good. Ano bang hinahanap ko? Ayun. Kasi si Mister, bago daw kami aalis, kakain siya ng scone. So, ito ang gagawin ako. Hindi ako gagawa ng lunch ni James today because we are planning to go back to the Thai restaurant. Kaya, hindi ako gagawa ng lunch today ni James. Ewan ko si Mister, gutom na naman. Anong oras na? Mag-alas 11 na eh. Kakain pa daw siya ng scone. So, ito muna gagawin ko. Ginawan ko na siya ng tea. And then, I'm gonna make the scone now. Yung ating, ano, king. My king. Si James nakabihis na. Si Mister hindi pa. Tawa siya ng tawa sa mama ko eh. Kasi daming tanong na kalukuhan. So ayun, umuwi na siya. Kasi yung signal sa amin, you need to go up to the mountain para magpa-signal. Wala pang ano sa amin eh, walang tower mismo sa ano namin place. So kailangan pumunta ng isang place kung saan may signal. Aakyat pa sila sa bundok. Mamumundok muna bago magka-signal. Kasi yung malakas na signal sa amin is sa bundok. At okay lang naman kasi may motor. Yung bunso naming kapatid, binilhan ko ng motor. Para kung may kailangan sila at saka pag ano ba, pagpupunta ng town, kung walang pambot, pwede sila mag-round trip. So, yun ang ano, nagda-drive lagi kasi si Papa natatakot daw mag-drive sa motor. Kaya bumaba na sila ng bahay at uwi na sila. Gabi na rin kasi ngayon sa Pinas eh. Nakapagbihis na pala ako at I'm ready. Half lang ibibigay ko kay Mister. I said, I'm gonna give you half only. Ayan, yung kanyang scone. Kaya Mister. Welcome. Si James, naglalaro na naman sa tablet. Yung aking sinampay, hindi natin malabas. Akala ko, yung weather today is gonna be same yesterday, pero it's still a bit gloomy now. So, hindi ko yata siya ilabas. Yung ating pa-attire. Nag-dress ako, maxi dress. And then, may paslit siya. Both legs. Bakit madilim? This is my little boy's attire. We're ready to go now. Yeah, come on, go. Follow Daddy. I'm gonna bring his cardi as well. We're gonna be twinning. Wow, look at the big boy, eh? Look at that smart little boy. Come on. Going to the car now. Come on. Let's go. Wow. Oh, careful. Alis na tayo, guys. We're going back to St. Ives today. We're gonna spend the rest of the day there. St. Ives. Kasi maganda sa St. Ives. And then the restaurant we like is there. The Thai restaurant. So,
the routes are being calculated.
Doon kami magla-lunch para tonight. Snack na lang. because we're heading back home tomorrow. It's our last day today here. Ang bilis ng araw. 1 week is already
Now turn
gone.
right onto the A3075.
Inutusan na kami ng satnab.
Noisy thing.
What a
The route
noisy
has
thing.
been changed
So,
due to
go
the
na
current
tayo.
traffic conditions. Now turn.
We are here na guys sa St. Ives and we're parking the same car park last time dito sa malaking field. It's a rugby field, I think. They're making money in this bloody car park though. Kasi malapit na rin siya ma-full from bottom up here. So yes, dito na kami and we're just gonna pay the car park. But the good thing here, you can park as long as you wanted to. Not like sa other places na you only allowed to park for 2 hours, which is a bit heavy. So ayan, online lang magbayad ng car park si Mr. Fidlin.
Was it top or bottom?
Dito na kami sa harbor guys, but it's high tide. Look, last time we come over here, pwedeng maglaro dyan because it's low tide, but now super high tide. So maybe a bit late, wala masyadong tao sa beach because they see and it's still a bit gloomy. Dami seagulls nag-aabang ng food. Still a bit busy. Marami pa rin tao walking around. There's my little boy enjoying watching the seagulls. Wait a minute, you can't get near to them, love. They'll attack you. Hold mama. Yeah, mommy's got you the lead. I don't know, ang daming seagulls nag-aabang ng food. The sea looks calm, but it's high tide. Break time muna kami lakad kasi mag-aalas 2 na, wala pang kain. Si James, pinakain ko muna ng banana kasi wala pa rin siyang lunch eh.
Yum yum.
Mag-alas 2 na, ano man lang yung tiyan niya. So he had his banana first. We've been walking maybe couple hours now, nearly 2 hours na kami naglakad-lakad. Si James so far, he's been okay. Pero yung lakad niya, na pa, kimpay-kimpay, gutom na. Dito kami sa other side ng St. Ives. Ito yung beach, oh. Wala masyadong tao dito na side. I think it's still high tide. Pero this part, may siya, may sand. Not like the other side. Hot drinks tayo, malamig. Mabid kapatsi. Tapos si Mr. nag latte. A little grumpy, sabi na juice. Keep pulling the straw, he can't drink anything. Get moan.
That's because it's flat in that thing, look. Didn't you? You bit it.
May naglalaro dito ng ng golf. Family golf. That one. Lang siya. Family fun. Maliit na golf. Few of them are playing. I miss playing golf though. I used to be good than daddy, baba. Can you believe here, yung mga plants nila dito is tropical plants. Siguro mainit nga dito. Ayan no, diba tropical plants yung mga yan. Tsaka ito. Then may mga bamboos and this one. This is all tropical plants. Diba? Mainit siguro talaga dito. We're heading back now. Baka punta na kami doon sa Thai restaurant kasi little monkey. Hi.
Looks at me to say, oh.
Am I done wrong, Daddy? Yes, you are. Hi. Yung monkey ball. Dito na kami sa Thai restaurant, guys. Ito yung kanilang pa-entrance. Very tropical. Come on. Yeah. Up. Yes. Hiya. Say hi. We're in the table, guys, with the same spot. Mr. sitting right there again. With the angel wings and little love here. Busy as usual. He's texting his, what is it, girlfriend. Uy. 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 Too serious, flicking mommy's phone. Is it funny?
Oh, what's your girlfriend say?
Andito na yung aming order. I had the same one. And Mr. this time is having a orange juice. And we ordered the food already. Ito na yung aming food. I got the prawn panang curry fried rice. Mr's had green curry. Try mine. Kain tayo. Pabalik na kami, guys, sa car park. Naglakad na kami papunta sa taas. Ayun yung aking maliit na nakipaghabulan kay daddy. Run, love, run! Come on, daddy! Bless him. He's doing well, though. Hindi, daddy. He's walking far today. Well done, love. Hi? He's gonna be tired and snoring tonight, daddy. We're gonna be in trouble. Hangak, uy. Sa kaon ng bakilid. Pwiste. Tagtag ang kinaon. Dito na kami sa car. We're heading back now. We're gonna say goodbye. St. Ives. See you when we see you. See you when we see you. Then we baba.
I don't know when.
But we don't know when. Kasi tiglamig na. So it's gonna be really breezy here. I don't think it's gonna be really cold here. I mean, I don't know, winter time. I don't know. But yes, magwi-winter na soon. So
Pretty cold.
we didn't know yet when we come back here. But yes, so far we like this place, especially the Thai restaurant. We just come back here because of the Thai restaurant. Guys, dito na pala kami. Actually, kanina pa. Umupo kami. Mga about 5 o'clock kami dumating dito. It's 6 o'clock na here. Napagod sa kakalakad. Tumayo ako ngayon and na-realize ko, nakalimutan ko kung i-update. Kasi magtitimpla ako ng tea. Tea. Si Mr. nanonood ng TV. Maingay. Mag-ingay din ako kasi I gonna put the cat. Oo, it's empty.
Actually, that's my favourite hobby, telling people how wonderful they are. But was you really, Jeremy? That's funny because I actually am related. Oddly, yes, I am that very much. Oddly, yes, that's why I drive a yellow Ferrari. Do you? I drive everything better than everyone.
Wala akong masyadong ngayon kasi hindi ako magluluto. At saka yung aking washing, hindi pa siya totally tuyo. So, ang gagawin ko is, i-ano natin siya, i-iron ko. Tapos, magligpit ng mga damit doon sa bedroom kasi we're going back home tomorrow. Holiday is over. Nakakasad. 1 week is already gone. But, that's life. At least we had a little break. Maingay yung kettle. nakapaglinis na tayo, guys. Ano ang gagawin natin is magplancha tayo ng ating mga jeans. Unti lang naman yan, so madali lang gagawin natin. Andito na naka-ready yung aking pang-plancha. And then, oh, it's pretty similar what we got back home. So, lagyan mo siya ng muka. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Mag-plancha tayo. Planchadora ang rola natin. Yun. Tapos na ako makapag-plancha, guys. Ayun na sila. And then now, I'm gonna clear up the kitchen. Kung ano yung mga dapat naming iuwi, ibalik sa amin. Kasi we still got some food there and in the fridge. So, yung iba, napasok ko na doon. Yung bag na yan. And then, still got few here. And then, maybe the other in the fridge. I'm gonna wait tomorrow. But yes, I'm gonna empty this shelves first now before ako mag-clear up sa mga damit. I-ano ko yung suitcase namin, and then at saka yung fairy liquid ng washing liquid na fairy. Iuwi ko yan kasi pang baby yan, yung sensitive siya. So yan, iuwi ko.